That is Njogu for you.
I think that was a composition on the stage. Even Gatonya was perplexed.
Only the video you did.
I know Gatonya don't know no. Oh, really? On the Kali. Oh, boy. I don't know yesterday. Is he okay? Haven't you heard of the Njogu in action?
On stage.
He got a very rare privilege, very rare spectacle of sharing the stage with the one and only
Mulima Maestro.
Yes. Atonyo Yemanyari. Kudu Butaru.
Anyway, Maestro,
I'll get you the song. You know what I Matana Mura Kiruina. I don't know whether he's here. It was where? Let me see.
Me, I don't remember hearing such a song.
No. I think this is the one. Eh?
Which one?
Let me see. Yeah. You hear him?
Mwata ni woigire niwe jita Korowa manani kimoyo Kodio kakwa maodo mote Weniwe ufatara inie muno Ukira dhahabu kana fedha Iria sama muno Iria goro muno Iria samuturo
Ayu haugia ni ameri divai
Ukira dhahabu kana fedha Iria goro muno Iria samuturo Rwiboro ure Rwiboro ine to miaka
Is that a song?
Yeah. You know, he has even had the luxury of describing gold in 4 adjectives within the same verse. Bafu yake ya shamba yake ya goro. I think science needs to research Njogu. That confidence is just overwhelming.
He will win an Oscar.
No, he deserves to get a special. Nyamere ya ileta watia.
Eleku.
Ni St. Andrews ka eleku. Ileta watia mthoni. Miroria wote. Marafatie mamwethere hadi. For the confidence of the year. Whether category teyo. Guts of the year.
Goes to none other than
Mulima Maestro. Ayu alutakinya disclaimer. Ni kwenda kumatunya wira.
Nalipata ko inithio.
Well, no one sang along. At least there he achieved. Mulima Maestro.
And that is what you call diversity.
And that is how you just suddenly become the highlight of an event that was not even about you. I could get second you are going to get Bishop Ben.
Maestro himself.
I will never.
Ela já na volta tu.